Are you ready for the duel, stealthy hero?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Fire your weapons!
Die!
Bubble attack.
Whoa.
What?
What?
Oh my god. Derpys with these?
Derp. Derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity 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 derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derp.
Yep, he lost. Yes! Derby winner. 3, 2, 1. Chicken! Oh god, oh no, 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 no. Yes! I'm the winner. Oh god, I died as well. I am the master of chicken. That sounds weird. Hello, my name's Chronova and this is Jackass. Sledding! Oh god! Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out! You're gonna die!
I'm not gonna die.
You're gonna die!
I'm standing on the boat.
You're not gonna die!
I'm standing on
And
it.
you're dead. What?
No.
Get in, get in!
I
Get in.
can't. I'm on
Quickly.
it.
Okay, you're on it. Fine, that'll have to do. Boat surfing!
Nearly worked.
Whoa! Flying boats.
Surfing. It's gonna turn. It's gonna turn.
Oh, we should go to the MHC with the thing. I doubt we can do that. Okay, let's just let everything happen that happens. Oh no, we're falling. We're falling. Uh-oh.
Oh, no, no, no.
No.
It's turning. I'm gonna fall off. Maybe.
That was just one hardcore explosion.
You killed me.
Okay guys, so I found a awesome glitch the other day which basically just makes it so you're stuck floating in the sky, and it's like super hilarious at times. And basically it looks like this. How you going up there? It looks like you're just sitting in the sky.
Because of logic.
Oh, you
How did that
nice job, seriously. How did that even happen? Okay, well, basically how the glitch works is you just, like, have to get to a high point. You can do that with the plane, but I found it easier with the parachute. Once you're at a high point, you basically just, well, that was a bit fast, and I didn't even manage it. But what you're trying to do is you're trying to...
I did it again.
Good job. What you're trying to do is you're trying to, be zipping down to the ground without your parachute, and at that moment, while you're zipping down, you have to spawn a vehicle, like a car. So, hang on. Yes, like that. And if you're fast enough, you can do it, and then it looks completely retarded. And it's also pretty hard for people to kill you. Come over here and try to shoot me.
Okay. Wait, quickly, I need to get the gun.
Oh god, okay, well, I guess it's not that hard, but still, it's pretty cool. And quite a bit of fun, just playing around with it. So, use that glitch to your own advantage. I don't know what you guys are going to do with that, but, yeah.